Even as the Election Commission is set to announce the poll dates for the capital, a fresh political controversy has erupted. The Congress has slammed the government's move to hike the pay scale for government employees.
The Ministry of Home Affairs' move to raise the pay scale of Delhi administration subordinate service cadre has sparked off this war of words, with the Congress and the Aam Aadmi Party accusing the BJP of taking the decision with polls around the corner.
Correct or wrong, they are panicky. The Prime Minister and the BJP thinks that they cannot have a cakewalk in Delhi because they thought that they could get other states. So the similar way they are claiming that Delhi also. Delhi is different. Last 7 months this government did not do a thing for Delhi. So Aam Aadmi government failed. BJP rule in central also failed to take care of the problems of Delhi. Delhi was looked after well by the Congress government only. Unfortunately, we did not get enough seat last time. That was a one-time problem. So this time we are improving our position. But the way the BJP is expecting, privately they are confessing, their own people saying that they are not having a very good chance here. You see now the election in the cantonment is still going on. And my information is that Congress is leading in many wards.
This shows that how they are trying to influence the elections. On the eve of election, if you are making such an announcement, that shows firstly you are jittery, you are not confident about that you are going to win elections, so you are going to influence a section of the voters. But the voters are very clever and very they understand things, so I don't think it is going to affect much.
But certainly you were also, some of these officials had in fact were confident of the Aam Aadmi Party. They had supported you, including let's say what happened with the announcement with regard to the checks that were given to a lot of Sikh victims. Do you see a certain strategy, a certain lineup here?
See, that's what I'm trying to tell you, that because in the last 6-7 months, if they didn't have the courage to announce elections, they didn't have courage to go for the election, that means they were losing elections. Now they are just trying to manage and manipulate things for their benefits, and that's why they are addressing those sectors where they were weak, or they thought they will not get votes, or those are the people who will help and who will vote for Aam Aadmi Party. But people are very people know why BJP is doing, and especially on the eve of elections, this shows that they are very nervous this time.
Well, here's the reaction coming in from the BJP, which has hit back at the AAP and the Congress.
Why is the Congress so desperate and frustrated if the common man's salary has been increased? If the Bharatiya Janata Party has worked in a way that the common man's salary has been increased, if the government is working in this direction, so why is the Congress so worried? The Congress should be thanking the government. The Congress should be thanking the Bharatiya Janata Party that we are considerate towards the issues of common man. And this is the reason as to why the common man has rejected the Congress today and has accepted and embraced the Bharatiya Janata Party.
तोहफा देखते हैं या चुनावी स्टंट है?
ये तो आप तय करिए, इस पर क्या टिप्पणी आपको करनी है आप करिए, और होम मिनिस्ट्री से पूछिए कि क्या है। आप कोई भी उस पर टिप्पणी कर सकते हैं जो आपको ठीक लगता है। देखिए, चुनाव से पहले बहुत सारी चीजें केंद्र सरकार कर रही है, उनका एक कमिटमेंट है और उस कमिटमेंट को पूरा करने में एक संकल्प के साथ वो काम कर रही है। अभी आपके ऊपर कि आप उसको किस दृष्टिकोण से देखते हैं। हमको तो लोगों का काम करना है और वो काम सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट, हम तो बधाई देना चाहते हैं कि सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट ये काम कर रही है, अच्छा है।